You know, watch how he kept playing, so I pushed that nigga. KK. Hold up. KK, so Brian dropped that man phone playing and jump.
That's his phone?
Yeah.
Put it in a dark bitch, stop in a hard bitch, not a hard carpet, and look on her scar bitch. You gon' girl please, my girl cute, your girl.
Alright, y'all, so we about to do a monkey video. And we about to just do rate me 1 through 10 and see who can get the most 10. We're gonna do it with this. Say your name, bro.
LeBron.
And nobody knows you.
Bro,
What's your name? His name is Moona. He's sweet as a moon pie, no homo. Let's get right into this. You go first. Rate him 1 through 10.
What's your name?
His name LeBron. Yeah, 8. She said it before it can go away. I like that. Alright, your turn.
it was you.
None is
You
you.
ain't about to buck me, nigga.
Put on my hat. Nigga, my hair ain't cut. I look like a... Hey, yeah. Without my hair, bro, I look weird. What's up, boy?
It's good.
What's up?
Here, have some time, bro. On dog.
Hey, guess what?
Yeah, what's up?
Go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
What?
Go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's Tyrone Thompson. You know how to spell it?
It's what?
Tyrone Thompson.
It's Tyrone Thompson. Alright, I'll remember that. Right after this, I'll subscribe.
Alright,
Alright, bet.
bet.
Deal.
See you too, kid. Yeah, but you see that, boy? I'm really on the grind with you.
Young nigga, take that hoodie off, fat head ass nigga, fuck you talking about, small hoodie wearing that nigga, big nose ass bitch.
You talk Spanish.
It done happened already. That's what I was telling you. It happened twice today. Oh, it
What
was
was
your
that
turn.
nigga talking? Nah, it's your turn because them was straight boys.
Nah, come on. Hey, rate him 1 through 10.
You cheating.
7.
Alright, bets. Rate me 1
You
through
stupid.
2.
10. Boy, I got a 10 straight off the bat. Swear to God.
So that was a nigga.
Oh, man. It did sound a little weird. Hey, rate him 1 through 10 for me.
Oh, wait, what?
Rate him 1 through 10 for me.
No, what is it?
Dang.
It's just a rate. Come on.
Okay, well, all I did, that's all it was.
Come on.
Hey.
Hey, she acting so bougie, bro. She ain't gotta know your age, bro. You should have said you was 18. Alright, here we go.
See, it's still him.
What's your name?
What up?
What's your YouTube?
Tyrone Thompson.
How many subscribers do you have?
10,000.
You suck.
Nigga, you was a hater, bro.
Yeah, and I was capped out hard. So,
You is
if I'd have
good.
told the truth, he definitely would have said so. Bro, these niggas sexually harassing my phone, bro. Stop giving us boys. I know they heard that 10, but I'm winning right now. Y'all boys ain't got nothing. You ready? I say it for you. If they ask your name or your age, just say a hot age and just say your name. Rate him 1 through 10 for me.
What happened?
Rate him 1 through 10 for me.
Oh.
She gave you a 5.
She said not.
She
Yeah,
said
she
smile.
said 5.
You just start smiling, bro. Bro.
Hey, rate him 1 through 10.
Ooh, gee.
7.
Alright, Bex, rate me 1
You
through
stupid.
10.
10. Boy, I got a 10 straight off the bat. Swear to God.
So that was a big.
Oh, man. It did sound a little weird. Hey, rate him 1 through 10 for me.
Oh, wait, what?
Rate him 1 through 10 for me.
How old is he?
Dang.
It's just a rate. Come on.
Okay, well, all I did that's all was.
Come on.
Hey.
Ain't she acting so bougie, bro? She ain't gotta know your age, bro. You should have said you was 18. Alright, here we go.
See, it's still him.
What's your name?
What up?
What's your YouTube?
Tyrone Thompson.
How many subscribers do you have?
10,000.
You suck.
Nigga, you was a hater, bro.
Yeah, and I was capped out hard. So,
He is
if I'd have
good.
told the truth, he definitely would have said so. Bro, these niggas sexually harassing my phone, bro. Stop giving us boys. I know they heard that 10, but I'm winning right now. Y'all wasn't got nothing. You ready? I say it for you. If they ask your name or your age, just say a hot age and just say your name. Rate him 1 through 10 for me.
What happened?
Rate him 1 through 10 for me.
Oh. Okay.
She gave you a 5.
She said not.
She
Yeah,
said
she
smile.
said 5.
You just start smiling, bro. Bro.
What was the
said?
dude? I don't even know. Hurry up and leave. I still gotta go? Oh, yeah, it's your turn.
It's still your turn. Until you get somebody that rates you, bro.
Nuh-uh, brother.
That's home.
Not go like that. Why is you sitting like that? I might can't get a 2-in-1. Hey, right. Hold up. Add time right quick. Rate him 1 through 10 for me.
Oh, he like a 9.
Alright, rate me 1 through 10. You can't see my head with my hair ain't cut.
So, but you like a 8.5, 9.
Alright, best. Why I couldn't just get the 9?
Huh?
Why I couldn't just get the 9?
Because you're very good.
Ah, you
She ain't even see you.
I'm just playing. She wanted to chat with me again. I didn't know you could do that. So what? She just gave me an 8/9. She gave me an 8. She gave me an 8. Yeah, and a half. Cause my hair was. Hey, rate him 1 through 10 for me.
Okay. You better talk to her before I do, because I'm hurt her feelings. That's up. I am.
You should have went on it.
Wait, what she said?
Do you got asthma?
Why?
Why does she want to know that you got asthma? Hey, rate me 1 through 10. Oh, they look reaching.
8, 4.
Big old binoculars on the eye.
Just wait.
She gave me a 4 and wanted to say she's just playing. I was waiting for the next number, like, come on now. Oh, she from New York, that's you.
Yo, what's up?
Rate him 1 through 10 for me.
Huh?
Rate him 1 through 10 for me.
What she said?
But you going outside, you
No,
got
no.
a 3. I got a 4. It was higher than that.
She said she was playing. I'm fake, though.
Yeah, when I got a 4.
Motherfucker. She said she was playing. You got a 4.
Rate him 1 through 10 for me. Yeah, what?
Too young.
Alright, rate me 1 through 10.
You look young too.
I'm not young. Man, how old do I look, bro? They and they be acting like they gonna go to jail for rating somebody. Hey, rate him 1 through 10. Hold up, you doing weird, Chuck. I want to keep you report people to get them to leave. I ain't gonna do it though. That's just whack. Alright, right here. This. Hey, rate him 1 through 10 for me.
What you say?
Rate him 1 through 10 for me.
Who that? Let me see who.
She called me a 0, but ain't even show her face.
Dang, boy, you just got a 0. Hey, rate him 1 through 10. Look at the camera. They be acting stupid, bro. Get in the camera, Brian. They shooting. Dang, bro. JJ? From Highland. Rate him 1 through 10 for me. He's not young. Please. Come on. He said no. You want a nut trap? She was just growing. That's why she did that. She looked like she was like 24. I think it said her name, but I ain't looked. Hey, rate him 1 through 10 for me.
What she said?
I reported her or something. Whatever that jump
She said a 2. Well, you got a 0.
That motherfucker got a 2 too. No, you got a 3.
You ain't get nothing higher than 7, just shut
Yes,
up.
I did.
Can
I
you rate
got
me
an
1
8.
through 10?
Wasn't nothing higher than that, nigga.
Bro, cause she wanna just look at a nigga like she retarded or something. Alright, here you go, You wanna say it for yourself? This one. Oh, she from Florida. But I think that was a boy too, bro. I ain't see it. The picture. Play.
Rate me 1 through 10.
Rate him 1 through 10. I got on all black as suspect. I look like a shit. Here you go, Brian. Hey, rate him 1 through 10 for me.
You say what?
Rate him 1 through 10.
Yeah, 10.
Add time though. You got 10. Alright, now rate him 1 through 10.
You're like little kids, so.
Show me your face and I'll rate you.
Y'all ain't
No.
No.
Why you lie?
You talking about we little kids?
We look young too, so how you gonna say we look kids?
You look like an egg.
because I'm 15. Y'all probably like 14, 14.
Man, I'm 15 just like you.
Now rate me,
I'm not
nigga.
15.
Oh.
You an 8.
She said you're 8. Now rate me 1 through 10.
Yeah, 8.
My hair not cut, so you can't see my hair. But I ain't bald head.
None like you.
Alright, bet.
What she said?
Hey, bro.
I'm the only guy that
I gotta tell you what you mean.
What?
He's alright. I never moved that get no 10.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yon, you deleted the one that I got a 10. Just stop playing, just.
I can go to reason to delete.
Go to read the deletes, nigga.
Hey,
So long. Like, you literally gonna stay until the morning.
What she
what be
said?
going on with you?
Chop me off.
This is gonna be the last one. It's on you, bro. Hey,
Bro, what's that?
add time right quick. Add time.
I don't hear. If you're not gonna call, why you on here?
I just said add time. What is you talking about?
You know she got that big droid.
Alright, I got you. Hey, add time right quick. Hey, do this for me. Hold up. Rate him 1 through 10. You heard me? Hey, rate him 1 through 10 for me.
Oh, that's funny.
What?
Where the ones? A 1?
Man, bro, she wanna rate you a 1 and all that. Alright, right here, this you.
Who she rated? Me or one?
Brian.
Oh.
Hey. Rate him 1 through 10.
9.
Alright, rate me 1 through 10. At time. Oh, facts. Alright, rate him 1 through 10.
Fuck.
The big ass droid.
Alright.
7.
Nigga, you got a 1.
I just got a 9.
Okay. They only do that because you love. Nigga,
Alright,
stop playing.
so look. Alright, that was it. But look, y'all. Hey, this gonna be like a 2 for 1. Alright. So look. We finna prank CJ. We broke his phone. Hey, what's that thing? The little thing rod you pulling up to make the phone look blurry. Alright. We about to act like Brian dropped his phone. Alright, I'm gonna hit y'all up when we get it on there. Y'all look at the phone. We finna act like we dropped it, but we didn't drop it. This on YouTube. If y'all wanna use it, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I don't know what it's called, so I don't know how y'all gonna use it. Just look it up. But look, we about to act like we broke his phone. We about to go in there right now. I'll hit y'all up when we get out the door. You know, watch how he kept playing, so I pushed that nigga. KK. Hold up. KK, so Brian dropped that man phone playing and